Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best dovetail saws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best dovetail saws. Starting at number 5, we have the Suizan Japanese pull saw. Suizan, a Japanese brand, is renowned for the highest quality Japanese hand tools. Suizan Japanese pull saw handsaw is made from high-quality Japanese steel. It is a pull saw, which means it cuts materials via pulling. It also requires less power to cut smoothly and accurately and results that the cutting section is clean. The thin, rugged, and sharp blade of this saw features several teeth per inch than comparable saws of its size. It comes with the best handling size for high-precision work. They are easily removable and interchangeable, and they are also available in any local or online market. The resulting edge is cleaner, and it has a very narrow kerf. This lightweight saw can diverse your woodworking activities into professional work. This Japanese saw gives you a new experience from using traditional Western-style saws. It comes with a guarantee of 100% satisfaction. The blade was so thin that it bends a lot when pushed. The handle is too smooth that hard to hold on and slips sometimes. Some customers have complained that they arrive with one tooth missing and several other teeth on both sides of the saw cracked and about to fall off, though the packaging was completely undamaged. Moving on at number 4, we have the Gyokucho 372 Dotsuki Takebiki RazorSaw. Gyokucho RazorSaw Dotsuki Takebiki saw is another amazing product from the Gyokucho company, which is known for its quality and its hard-coated blade. Your cabinet and furniture work can easily be done effectively with this saw. These Gyokucho Dozuki saws are known as the finest cutting replaceable blade saws made. The blades are very thin and are very efficient at making sharp, precise cuts with its teeth set. They have a hard spline of metal which is attached to the top edge, and it helps to keep the saw from straight during use. The blades are hard-coated to reduce corrosion, which increases the durability of the tool. The handle of this saw is covered with rattan for a firm grip. This tool provides you with the finest miter, tenon, and crosscuts. The impulse-hardened teeth ensure extended durability, and they are great for cutting hard and softwoods. They give a glass-smooth finish on all hardwoods. You will find the replacement blade in any local or online market, but it is quite a price. Some customers have complained that the blade of the saw sometimes came bent. At number 3, we have the Okada Japanese Saw 110 7/10 Dovetail Saw. The Okada Japanese Saw 110 7/10 is our choice for best for the money. This saw is smaller and more affordable than the Dozuki, but in many ways, it is the same. It features an easy-to-remove blade, which helps when it needs cleaning or replacing. It's lightweight yet well-balanced, and the rigid back helps you keep a firm grip during delicate, precise cuts. The saw is extremely durable, and it's likely only the blade will ever need repair or replacement. The downside to the Okada Mini Dozuki panel saw is that it is quite small, especially when compared to the top 2 saws on this list. Shallow cuts, little more than 2 inches, are all that's possible with this precision saw. Another problem it has is it's slow and only suitable for softer woods. Harder woods tend to dull the teeth quickly. At number 2, we have the Suizan Japanese Dozuki Dovetail Saw. If you're looking for something that you can use on everything from major projects to fine details, the Suizan Japanese Dozuki Dovetail Saw is a worthy contender. Its most noteworthy feature is the prominent handle that gives you a good grip and enables you to work at multiple angles with full control. The wooden design is both stylish and pragmatic, since it isn't vulnerable to rust and it won't warp. The handle connects to the blade protector, which covers the non-serrated part of the saw, while also ensuring it stays in place stably. The steel blade itself features very moderate teeth that extend over the full 6 inches. Getting wider as it gets further from the handle, the blade is both precise and durable. Keep in mind that, though the saw is versatile, the wooden handle requires indoor storage and proper care. Ensure that it stays dry to prevent damage to the handle's structure and to help keep the blade in place. And finally at number 1, we have the Suizan Dovetail Handsaw. If you're looking for a tool that can take your woodworking to the next level, then the Suizan Dovetail Handsaw is a good option. It is designed as a pull saw, so the teeth are structured to create a precise cut when you retract the saw. Crafted to be lightweight and easy to control, you can achieve a smooth line while applying minimal force. Thanks to the structure of the teeth on the serrated edge, you can easily dust it and keep the blade sharp. The handle is sturdy and lets you use the blade with either hand. At the top of the blade is a stopper that adds safety and stabilizes the blade. Getting moderately wider as it extends, this powerful saw is a great way to go for those who are focused on precision results. While it is very high quality, it is only a single-sided saw, so the edge will wear down. However, since there are replacement blades available, this isn't too much of a concern.
Thank you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.